How to add transition in Davinci Resolve. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the Davinci application. After that, at the top left corner, click on File. Then go to Import and choose the option of Media from the other menu. After that, you will see the option of Create New Timeline using selected clip. Click on it and the timeline will be created. From this, choose the option of Effects. After that, go to Video Transition and choose any one which you like. Once you choose the transition, you will be able to see the preview on your video. And now, you can simply click on the transition and expand it as much as you like throughout the video. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.